In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clip, mask an image and shape easily in Figma. If you're new to Figma, or even if you're a seasoned user looking to polish your design skills, clip masking is a fundamental technique you'll find incredibly useful. We'll delve into the process step by step to ensure you can implement it smoothly in your next project. To get started, you first need to head over to Figma. It's the collaborative interface design tool that's widely used among design teams around the world. Open your preferred browser and navigate to the Figma website. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in at the top of the page. Go ahead and click on the login button. Enter your credentials and let's proceed to the next step. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Figma homepage. From here, navigate to the design section. This could be a specific project you're working on or a new draft you're starting afresh. Once at your canvas, it's time to select the image you'd like to work with. Click on the image, making sure it's highlighted and ready for action. Now that your image is selected, look to the upper menu and click on Actions. The Actions panel will present several options, but our focus today is on using the image as a mask. Within the Actions menu, you'll find the Use as Mask option. Clicking this transforms your selected image into a mask, enabling you to merge and shape different layers creatively. While working with masks, keep in mind that a mask functions essentially by defining the visible and invisible areas of the images or shapes beneath it. This feature is extremely powerful when you want to create complex designs and layered effects without losing clarity or causing unnecessary clutter in your workspace. After clicking on User's Mask, what you've essentially done is assign the top most selected object as the mask boundary for the other objects you wish to cover or reveal. When done properly, the results can bring your designs to a new level of professionalism and creativity. As a tip, always make sure your layer order is set correctly before applying a mask, as Figma will use the top layer as the mask boundary. This small detail can save you a lot of time and prevent potential frustrations during the design process. And there you have it. You've just learned how to easily clip, mask images and shapes in Figma. Practice this technique to enhance your design projects significantly. Don't forget to experiment with different shapes and images to see what innovative designs you can create. Thanks for watching and happy designing.